Open a green screen text. Choose any font you like. DM me for any font you want. Watch in 2x speed to understand faster. Go to shadow black color. 80, 8, 10, minus 20. Export the watermark overlay. Open your Edit New Project. Add your watermark overlay. Freeze the first part and cut the remaining. Place IT over the whole video. Remove BG Chrome key. Intensity 75, shadow 85. Go to Splice Overlay 100. Adjust it by yourself. Preview.
Wait, my last tutorials had gotten very less likes, so I had decided to stop uploading. So this time,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want more tots like these, here is a flower. Thank you for watching.